Did you just become a life coach and you're looking to make money in your life coaching business and practice, but you really don't know how or don't know where to go to get started? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the first things that life coaches need to do so that they can go out there and actually make money as a life coach in their life coaching practice. We're going to go over 3 specific things that you need to make sure that you do early on so that you can make money fast as a life coach in your life coaching practice. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, let's first take a look at how do we get paid as a life coach? Why and how do we get paid as a life coach? Why do people who we, bring on as clients or people who hire us as life coaches, why are they paying us money, hard-earned money that they, earned themselves? They went out there and worked their butt off for. Why are they paying us money to get our help? And what is that help that we're doing helping them do, right? So let's understand exactly why you're getting paid as a life coach to begin with before we start talking about going and getting paid more, right? Remember, people are paying us as life coaches because they're getting help with a problem that they have, and usually that problem that they have is going to fall into something that's going on in their life. We break what's going on in their life into 3 core markets, and those 3 core markets are going to be health, wealth, and relationships. And usually, right, with the problem that we are helping solve as a life coach is going to fall in one of those main 3 things. Now, usually we're going to be looking for sub-markets and finding a niche and then wanting to find a problem in that niche. I have other videos on my channel that talks about how to find your perfect profitable niche as a life coach. So make sure to go click on one of those and really go into the deep dive of how you, right, can pick the perfect profitable niche for you as a life coach. But we really want to make sure that we go in there and understand, right, exactly what we are, who it is that we want to serve, and exactly what the problem it is that they have. And when we understand that, we know who it is that we want to serve and the problem is that they have, it becomes very easy, right, to then put a solution in front of them, right, that is going to help them with what it is that they want help with and that problem that they have. We got to remember, right, they have a goal. They have a target that they want to get to. It's right here. Now, they could probably get to that target by searching and watching enough YouTube videos like this video you're watching now, or ultimately like go and Googling enough things. And they could find probably enough information for them to learn to get to that thing, right? The thing is, though, is they're hiring you as a life coach because they want to get to that thing. They want a guide to help them get to that thing, usually a lot faster. And that is what you are doing and helping do for them, is helping them get to their goal and their target a lot faster. And they are going to be paying you money because you are going to be helping them get to what they want to get to a lot faster than if they were doing it on their own. Before I go into this next piece, and this is the exact piece that I'm going to go over in the next part of this video, is going to be talking about the actual thing that people pay for and the actual thing that people pay you money for. So you're going to want to make sure to watch that. But before I go into that piece, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now that we went over exactly how you as a life coach is getting paid and why, and we went over the who and specifically who you're looking to serve and how you need to niche down, let's go over into the offer that you're going to create that people are actually going to pay you money for so that we can create an awesome, irresistible offer that people that you're going to be showing it to are going to be feeling stupid if they say no to it. So what we want to do when we're creating our offers, you got to remember our offer begins with a solution to a problem that our who that we're wanting to serve have. So we want to make sure that we have a solution that's actually going to work. So then we take this solution and we don't stop there. A lot of life coaches are going to stop there, and it's actually going to handicap them from actually making a lot more sales and a lot more money with their offers. So we want to make sure to take that solution, that vertical solution of how you're going to help them, right? And then we want to surround that solution with an offer. And the way we surround that solution with an offer is we want to make sure to add into that offer things that people are going to want answered when they're wanting to make a buying decision around the solution that you're going to provide them. So we want to make sure that we're answering things like their internal objections, answering questions like, can I do this? do I actually think I can do this? And also answering their external objections of answering the questions of, do I have the resources to get this done? Well, we also want to make sure to give them a reason to take action now, usually with a bonus or two that they wouldn't typically get inside this offer that's going to help them take an action now and actually buy what it is that you're putting in front of them. Another thing we do in the reason to act now is we actually will open the card or make the offer available, but only make it available for a limited time. This makes the ones that actually know and want to take action on the offer have that feeling of, oh my gosh, it could go away if I don't take action on it, which is going to help them take action on that offer a lot faster. All right, so before I go out there and start talking to you about how you find prospects, get leads, and start making sales with this offer that we just talked about, I want to ask you, what type of life coach are you, and what is your superpower? Who is it that you serve every single day, and what is your offer around? What's that solution that you provide to the people that you serve? I'm curious. Put those in those comments down there. All right, so now that we know the who and we have your offer, built out, let's talk about how we're actually going to get people to want to come and look at that offer and actually want to pay you money to purchase that offer and get your help. And what we want to make sure that we do is we want to make sure that we go out there and specifically demonstrate how we're going to help people by actually helping people every single day. We have this mantra, we all win when we all win. And the reason that really, matters so much here is because if you go out there and you help someone win today with what it is that you're good at, other people are going to see that and they're going to get they're going to get a win as well. So guess what they're going to do? They're going to go tell other people that you helped them win. If you go out there and you do that for 30 straight days, you specifically help somebody else win, you're going to get so many eyeballs on you that you're going to be absolutely crazy how much opportunity you're going to have. But what we want to make sure we do as life coaches is that we are going out there and demonstrating how we can help people as often as we can by actually helping people. And we do this through profitable presentations. We invite a lot of people to come to a presentation we're putting on. It can be a workshop, it can be an online summit, it can be a challenge possibly, or even a masterclass, but we bring people to these, and sometimes we have 5, sometimes we have 50, and we're bringing people to these and we're helping them solve a problem that they have. And then at the end of that presentation, what we're doing is we're offering them the offer that we have to continue working with us. When we do that, we're positioning our offers perfectly because we actually just helped these people who showed interest right at the workshop with getting our help to begin with. We're then just making an offer at the end of the workshop, asking if they want to continue getting our help, and this helps us sign up a lot of people at these workshops and make a lot of money, and I'm confident it will with you too. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make their first or next 100K in the next year? Well, then I have a brand new 22-page guide that's absolutely free that you can grab right now. Just click on that link in the description and grab your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link down there below and grabbing your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide today. We'll see you in the next video.